we're trying to understand the relationship between two lines which are parallel in terms of their slope. So this is the first line, that's our second line. These two lines are said to be parallel. So let's consider this to be L1 and this to be L2, and this is M1 and the slope of this is M2. And we'll consider theta 1 and theta 2 to be the inclination of the lines. Okay, so line L1 is parallel to L2, first thing, with M1 comma M2 as the respective slopes, and theta 1 comma theta 2 as their respective inclination of the line. Next thing, theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is what I conclude. But why? Well, it's actually quite simple. So this is a transversal line, two lines which are parallel. So what can we tell about those two angles? They form a corresponding angle. Because they are corresponding angles of parallel lines, those two are equal. Okay, now taking tan on both sides. So if I take tan on both the sides, what happens? We have tan of theta 1 is equal to tan of theta 2. But what is tan of an angle? Especially we have the inclination of the line, right? So the angle of inclination of the lines, if they are equal, and the tan of that value is equal, what does it mean? Yes, the slopes are equal. So basically, two lines are said to be parallel if their slopes are equal. Does it make sense? Let me show this off with a set of values. Like say these two slopes are 1. And we can see that they are parallel, right? That's why they're able to overlap. If I change the value of one of it, obviously the other one, and the first and the second one will have a different set of slopes and they are intersecting. If I happen to make both of them to be of the same value, okay, we can see that again they are parallel. So if I increase this, they will overlap. Does it make sense? So two lines are said to be parallel if their slopes are equal.